Hey there, everyone! I hope you're all having an awesome day. First of all, a massive shout-out and a heartfelt thank you for choosing my Education Notion template. Your support and trust mean the world to me. Today, I'm thrilled to take you on a guided tour of this template, showing you how it can truly transform your educational experience. But before we dive in, let me share a quick story. I created this template because, well, I've been where you are. Juggling assignments, trying to keep track of due dates, and needing a streamlined way to organize my subjects and notes. So this template isn't just a tool, it's a solution to those daily academic challenges. All right, let's jump right in. Our first stop is the Assignments section, your go-to place for tracking assignments. You can log the assignment title, due date, its current status, and even add helpful notes. Next up, we've got the Subjects section. This is your digital notebook, made super organized thanks to those handy toggle lists. It's perfect for taking notes, keeping things neat, and staying on top of your subjects. So, that's a sneak peek into this template. It's designed to make your academic journey smoother, more efficient, and, dare I say, a bit more enjoyable. If you're ready to level up your academic game, the download link is right below. And if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Together, we're going to make your educational journey truly amazing. Thanks for joining me.